Good afternoon, and let's have a quick look at what the markets are doing this afternoon, as well as which are the individual stock movers in trade as well. So today, the market surely trading in the green, indices trading near the day's high as well, mainly led by the metals as well as this PSU space. And other than that, realty is doing quite well in trade today. So talking about the benchmark indices, let's look at that first. Sensex has gained more than 300 points, up almost 0.7% in trades, so trading around the 55,950 levels, while the Nifty is above the 16,600 levels again today, trading around 16,600 levels, like I mentioned, sorry. So, obviously, it's up almost 0.7% in trade as well. Now, broader markets today are outperforming the benchmark indices. Both the Nifty mid-cap as well as the small-cap space is up more than 1% in trade as well. And even when you look at mid-cap stocks, they are doing quite well. The value names, value mid-cap stocks are doing quite well. Good quality stocks are doing quite well. Talking about individual sector-wise first, let's look at the sectors what are doing well. So, we have, like I mentioned, metals, PSU Banks, finance, which has been doing quite well overall, and they are up more than 1% in trade. Other than that, today FMCG space as well as the IT space is trading in the red. Both are down more than 0.5% in trade. So pressure coming in on the FMCG as well as the IT front. Nifty stocks, so when you look at it, the top gainers, we have the Bajaj Twins, which is leading the pack today. It's both these stocks are at a new 52-week high as well. While top laggards, we do have HDFC Bank, Asian Paints as well as Nestle, which are among the top Nifty 50 laggards as well. Now, let's look at the individual stock movers in trade today. Today, like I mentioned, Bajaj Twins. So, we do have Bajaj Finserv, which is in focus. It's up as much as 7% in trade. It's touched new 52-week high as well. After Bajaj Finserv has gotten an approval from the SEBI for its mutual fund business, and that is surely an interesting development coming in for Bajaj Finserv, and that is why we're seeing that the stock is seeing a very good rally today, and surely it's up 8% as of now. Live update is it's up 8% in trade as well. Now this mutual fund business will lead to, surely more business coming in, setting up of an AMC company and a trustee company directly or indirectly. So that is something interesting that we will be watching out for from Bajaj Finserv. Moving on, we do have Asian Granito, which is also in focus today. It's up almost 10% in trade today when you look at it this afternoon, after the board has approved rights shares issue under a fast track basis, and now the stock is up the most in 21 weeks. So what a move that is coming in the stock today as well, and this is on the back of the news flow of rights issue shares under the fast track basis for Asian Granito. Moving on, we do have Hindalco also, which is in focus today. Now, obviously, overall, the metal pack is buzzing, and that is why Hindalco is buzzing as well. It's up almost 3% in trade. But other than that, today we do have a note coming in from Suisse as well, where they maintained a positive stance and outperform stance on the company, and they're saying that Hindalco is surely their top pick in the metal space as well, and we are seeing a good move coming in for Hindalco as well. They're saying that Hindalco is quite well poised to deliver a structurally drive and intact going forward as well, and they expect Hindalco's FCF yield to be at 14% to 16% for FY23 and FY24. So surely an interesting day coming in for Hindalco, and overall the metal space itself is buzzing. So surely Hindalco buzzing on with the other metal companies as well. Moving on, we do have Wonderla Holidays also, which is in focus today. It's up 3% after the company's said that it's set to reopen its Kochi, Wonderla Kochi on 1st September. So reopening trade, and on the back of that, stock is up 3%. Other than that, Nucleus software also up 3% in trade after FinnOne Neo is to power the South Indian Bank's retail lending landscape, and surely an interesting deal coming in for Nucleus software.